Good morning. Hi. I made a big mistake in my car. I changed the oil of the car, right? But I added thicker oil and I added Lucas because the engine, it has like a lifter tick, which is nothing bad for the engine, but it annoys the living daylights out of me. So I added Lucas and a thicker oil to make the noise go away, but the noise didn't go away. And then I ordered oil additive for hydraulic lifters. And I think because I put too much oil additive, the Lucas plus bottles, it was supposed to be one, I think it's choking up the engine because the engine, after I put that second bottle in, is huffing and puffing real bad and it's not running good at all. So I bought some regular oil and that's what we're gonna do now, change the oil again. But I'm not gonna change the filter and everything, just the oil. And I do want to keep some of the additive in the engine, so not to get rid of everything. But yeah, let's get this thing done. I need a 17 socket. I bought a 16, it'll fit. Nice. Nothing got fixed. I don't know if it was the excessive amounts of oil additive. That sucks. It really does suck. But whatever. Keep you updated on what happens. All right. What's up, my people? So we're back on this contraption of a car. I don't know, since you guys probably last saw, I did an oil change, and after the oil change, the car started running funny. But I have somewhat of a belief that I think it might be something else besides the oil change. It might be something involving like the disvalve or the throttle body. You BMW people out there, let me know what y'all think it is. I'm gonna try to diagnose it myself or take things apart and waste money, of course. So this is what the car sounds like right now when I started at all times. Wait, what? Yo. It's idling normal. It's a little shaky, but you guys just witnessed it. I was gonna show you a bad running car and it's idling okay. It's running a little rough, it's idling a little low, but I might have to take that back. It might have been the oil, like passages are clearing up of whatever was choking, and I don't know what to do, man. I came prepared to do some work, man. Like, oh man, so I do have one piece to change. The check engine light comes on from time to time, usually when I floor it or whatever. I don't know why, but it goes away, it turns off. But the code I always get is for the purge valve, and I bought one. So we can change that at least because it's idling okay. That's crazy. I guess, man, I'll take it. So this is the purge valve that we're gonna change, which is right there. That little guy, gonna change them for this little guy. Not hard, there's no screws. Let's just get to work. Now, need a filter. Wow, this is disgusting. All these leaves. So, the way to supposedly check this is to blow. Whatever. I don't know. Feels fine, but I already bought another one. Overdue for a change, so might as well change it. We got a brand new one. Same thing. Brand new one. What did we learn today? That I need a new filter. Beautiful pea. All right, come on, come on. All together now. There we go. So let's give it a start. One more time. All together now. Seems okay. Well, we're gonna order a filter. We're done here. We're done. We're finished. But I'm gonna ask everybody who's watching this video, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. Don't forget to like, comment. Just give me some good graces with the algorithm. You heard? We fixed this car without even doing nothing, bro. That's how good I am, okay? We got more stuff to do. I'll see you very soon.